How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Starting on the back of the boat, you're going to see it is an outboard. It's got outboard engines, twin Mercury 250s. As usual, you can get them in white or black. We went with white. It matches the color combination a little bit better. This one we did the stone gray interior. As always, you know with Sea Ray you can do it in the white, which is the ivory, or dune, which is their brown. The gray, the stone's a little bit more modern. As you transition into the cockpit, you're gonna see that we've got the gray sea deck, of course color coordinated to match. You can get that in brown. If you see the trend here with Sea Ray, you got a lot of different options to make the boat unique to you. This one is set up in the entertainment layout. The SDX series is known for there being a lot of seating, a lot of great headroom, and a lot of area for great conversations. While you do that, you can option the Kenyan cooktop on this boat, transforming this area into a dining room. There is a cockpit table that mounts over here. You can get that with a nice teak accent to it, and you have the fresh water to rinse your hands when you're done burning dinner. In the cockpit here, both of these seats flip back, like I said, to make that large, almost conversation pit, to have everybody be included in it, even the captain. You can flip this one back. Obviously, you need to face forward when you're driving the boat. Don't face backwards, but your passenger can. So if you're doing any water sports on this boat, notice it's got the nice ski tow tower. So if you want to do any tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, it's nice that your companion can be facing aft, watching everybody in the water to make sure everybody's safe while your captain's over here at the helm. On the helm, you're going to notice we have a single 12-inch Simrad flush mounted right in the middle of the dash, leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your fusion head unit, nice toggle switches, simple, easy on or off. You're gonna have trim tabs on this boat, and this one's got your dual throttles, but standard you're gonna have on Sea Ray is gonna be that joystick. That joystick piloting is great for situations like this. When you're at a marina and you wanna get off the dock, simply push it straight to the side. The boat is gonna almost crab walk straight out and get you moving. Easy control in those tight spaces, but also with that, you're gonna have Skyhook. What Skyhook does is it's gonna hold you in about a 10 by 10 box, not 10 by 10 inches, it's 10 by 10 feet. But it's gonna hold you there, and it's gonna be great for if you're waiting for a bridge to open up, or if you pull into marina and you're waiting to fuel up, or anything like that. If you need to hold a spot, it's a great feature that's gonna come standard on Sea Ray. Over here on the other side, you're going to have your head. This is the upgraded head. It is nice and ventilated. You have the upgraded countertop and another freshwater sink in there to clean up. Follow me into the bow, and you're gonna notice just how much more seating you have. Now I'm in the sun, I can get those rays, I can get a little tan. In my case, I can get sunburnt, but you have plenty of seating in the back that's under shade. You have the sun pad in the back, but you have another whole conversation up here. Additional speakers, so everybody up here can enjoy the music, but you can sit comfortably. Drop both the armrests down, take a seat. You can option for another table up here if you want, and you're gonna have the windlass on this one. So you got a 29-foot boat, you've got the windlass. Everybody can enjoy their day on the water. You also have a freshwater hookup up here, so you can rinse that off, clean your feet on and off. If you do beach the front of the boat on a sandbar, you need to rinse your feet getting on and off the boat, clean up the dogs, kids, whatever you want. The boat's easy to keep clean. If you want to see more of this boat, come visit me. It's here, MarineMax Venice. My name's Mike Waller. Thanks for watching.